Hey smart people, Toby Salami here. This is not one of my regular videos. This one is just something I encountered while trying to record a video, some interesting video. But this one is just something I encounter almost on a weekly basis, where in the course of trying to update a plugin or do something else, like maybe install a theme or something on your WordPress website, you encounter an error that says something like the site is under maintenance, you cannot do anything right now at this point, something like that. Let's see if we can replicate the error. It may be hard, but maybe we'll be able to do it. Let me try. If I click on update and just quickly refresh the front end, let's see. You can see here briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. And now you could have an error like this show up on your website and the error just refuses to go away. If you try to refresh many times, it just doesn't go away. Let's try to refresh. Let's see. It just remains this way. If you try to refresh the plugins, it just remains this way. Let's try again to refresh. It just remains that way. Now, this is a possibility, and many times I have had many people reach out to me saying, well, this happened, I don't know what to do, my site is basically just stuck. The truth is, sometimes this resolves on its own, other times it doesn't, and it requires that you do something extra, and that's what I want to show you in this video, so stick around. By the way, before we go on, if you're new here, my name is Toby Salami, and on this channel I share tips like this from time to time, so if this is something you love, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, the steps you need to take are very simple. You need to go into your file manager. For me, I make use of xCloud as my basically my control panel, and inside of it you have the ability to use file manager. So I want to enable the tiny file manager so that I can access the files of this particular website. Now this is not very necessary that you make use of a file manager like this. Not very necessary. Sometimes you could use an SFTP or a secure file transfer protocol, which just means you're going to access this using a file manager on your computer or using a software somewhere. Anyways, if your control panel allows you to access the file of your website, you need to find that file manager and launch it. Go into the file manager, and inside of there, you want to find a particular file known as .maintenance. You can see it right here. Now, this file is the reason why this just gets like this. It remains like this. That's the file responsible for this. Okay? Now, you need to find that file, select the file, and delete it. You can just find the file, you can delete. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes, because the file is always created whenever there's a maintenance notice like this on your website. So let's refresh again. The site loads okay. Let's refresh this. And it loads okay. Now, whatever caused the problem in the first place, you can of course try to fix that. And if such an issue occurs again, such as if you try to update again and the problem repeats, you can always just keep deleting the .maintenance. We can refresh. Let's see if it comes back. Here it is. It will always be created whenever this maintenance notice is activated on the website, and it's usually caused by a plugin or a theme update or something like that. I hope this short video was helpful. It's a very simple tutorial, nothing too big, nothing too fancy, and I hope it helped you. If it helped you, let me know in the comment section below. If it didn't, also let me know in the comment section below. As I said before, my name is Toby Salami, and until next time, stay dynamic.